Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you searching for the best, juiciest, most tender and flavorful chicken recipe? Well, you are in the right place. Today I'm sharing with you an amazing Lahori style chicken broast recipe inspired by Pakistani Lahori food street. This recipe gives you crispy, juicy, super tender and absolutely delicious chicken using a simple, mostly hands-off method. You should definitely try it. I'm sure you'll love it. Save this recipe for Ramadan, lunch, dinner, dawat, or your next party. Let's get started. First, we will clean the chicken properly to make it fresh. Start by making deep cuts into chicken leg pieces just like shown in the video. Now, in a large bowl, add salt, ginger garlic paste, vinegar, and water. Mix well. Then add chicken and soak it for 20 to 30 minutes. This step helps to remove any at all to improve the final taste. But you can skip this step if you prefer. Soak the chicken for 20 to 30 minutes. After soaking, rinse the chicken well with clean water and set aside. For the marination, in a large bowl, add all the mentioned spices. To give the chicken a beautiful color, add a red or orange coloring, just one of them, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, yogurt. Do not overdo the acid, otherwise it will make your chicken dry and rubbery. Mix everything well, then add washed and cleaned chicken. Coat the chicken evenly. Massage the marinade well into chicken so every piece is coated evenly. For the best result, marinate it overnight or for as long as you can. The longer it marinates, the better it tastes. In a frying pan, add cooking oil or ghee. Heat the oil over medium heat. Then carefully add chicken and fry. Fry for 10 to 15 minutes or until perfectly cooked. Cover the pan for a few minutes in between so the chicken cooked in steam and stay juicy. Turn the chicken optionally to ensure even cooking. Your crispy Lahori style chicken broast is ready to enjoy. Serve hot with fries, naan, green chutney. Let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.